every once in a while, married couples, husband and wife, will give us some pushback because they'll say, well, we're joint on our accounts. When one of us passes away, the other one can just access the accounts. It's not going to be a problem. And we try to explain to them that that's not always the case. And just this past couple of weeks, you had a real situation with a husband and wife where the husband passed away. And I'd love for you to share, unfortunately, what happened to the widow.
Yeah, I mean, this couple, just a lovely couple. I've been working with them probably for, I don't know, 15 years. I hadn't heard very much from them recently. He had a lot of ailments. So whenever Phyllis called, you swallow and say, I hope this is not the call.
Right.
But it was the call. Frank had passed away, and I met with her. Picking up the pieces, financial pieces after death is a big part of what I do. It can get very complex, emotional, involved. She called me because we talked about putting together a funeral trust for her. She said, I had a problem with the bank where Frank and I had our account. I said, well, what was the problem? She said, well, they froze our bank account. I said, tell me more. She said, the bank said I had to come in, that I had to present a document. I had to go to the IRS to get the document. By the way, that's not accurate.
And she's 84 years old, keep in mind.
She didn't have to go to the IRS to get this document. This document is a form known as an L8. An L8 is a tax waiver. And you're basically attesting to the fact that your estate will not be subject to any taxes to the IRS or state of New Jersey, and the bank doesn't want to unfreeze your account until they have that form. It took 3 weeks to unfreeze her bank account. Understand that the bank is there to protect their rear ends.
And I think that's proof, Jerry, that just because a husband and wife have a joint checking or savings account, that doesn't automatically guarantee that the surviving spouse will have full access to the funds.